So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government exam revision series, we have here just this question to answer on the topic economic policy. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, we just have this one question to answer here. It says, the regulation as an economic policy borders on A, the removal of subsidies on public utilities, B, commercialization, C, the removal of restriction and extension of competition, D, privatization. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, the removal of restrictions and extension of competition. So that's it for this question, and this is where we'll end this lesson for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.